Hello friends, once again welcome back to third module partial differential equation. So the third concept is solution of homogeneous partial differential equation involving derivative with respect to one independent variable only. So here the dependent variable either containing independent variable as x or y, but not both here. So here dependent variable say z partially with respect to single independent variable x only, then PD can be treated as ordinary differential equation. So you have to converting partial differential equation into ordinary differential equation. Then we will replacing arbitrary constants by arbitrary function here. In place of arbitrary constant we using the arbitrary functions say y or x, which use the solution of PDE. Now we will solving the problems on partial differential equation having single independent variable. Solve dou square z by dou y square plus z is equal to 0 given that z equal to cos x when y equal to 0 and dou z by dou y equal to sin x when y is equal to 0. So solution. So dou square z by dou y square means here z is a function of single variable y. So now we will converting this partial differential equation into ordinary differential equation. So write the dou square by dou y square as d square y by dy square plus z equal to 0. And again in second module we know that the symbolic form of d square by dy square is denoted as capital D square, and take z as common. So d square plus 1 into z equal to 0. So capital D square denotes d square divided by dy square. Then write the auxiliary equation. So replace again d by m, so which is m square plus 1, and roots of m square plus 1 is plus or minus y, because if you shift 1 into right hand side it become minus 1 or m square equal to minus 1, therefore m equal to plus or minus 1 here, plus or minus I. So plus or minus I, these are the complex roots. And again in second module we know that how to write the complementary function here for complex roots. So c1 cos y plus c2 sin y is equal to z. So which is the solution of ordinary differential equation. Now here c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. We will replacing c1 and c2 by arbitrary function f of x and g of x here. So which use the solution of PDE, that is z equal to f of x cos y plus g of x sin y. Suppose the given problem is dou square z by dou x square, then you have to replace arbitrary constant by f of y and g of y. So f of x, g of x, or f of y, g of y, so which is depends on either for dependent variable depends with respect to x or with respect to y. Now we'll differentiating equation 1 again with respect to y here. So z become dou z by dou y is equal to differential of cos y is minus sin y into f of x, and differential of sin y is cos y g of x. So say equation number 2. Then we using the given data. So dou z by dou y equal to sin x when y equal to 0. So use these two terms in equation number 2. So dou z by dou y is sin x, y is 0, that is sin x is equal to, substitute y value as 0, so sin 0 is 0, so first term is 0, cos 0 is 1, so only term is g of x here. So our g of x function is sin x here. Then we using the second condition, so z equal to cos x and y equal to 0. So use these two conditions in equation number 1. So z equal to cos x, y value as 0. So cos x is equal to f of x, because cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So f of x is cos x. So now substitute f of x and g of x value in equation number 1. So equation 1 become z equal to f of x is cos x cos y, plus g of x is sin x here, sin x into sin y. So it is in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So you know that cos x minus y gives cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So which is the required solution. Next example, solve dou square z by dou x square plus z is equal to 0. So given x equal to 0 and z equal to e to the power y and x equal to 0, dou z by dou x equal to 1 here. So in previous problem z is a function of y, but here z is a function of x here. So we'll converting partial differential equation into ordinary differential equation. So dou square by dou x square become d square by dx square z plus z. Again express in symbolic form of d square by dx square as capital D square and take z as common here. So d square plus 1 into z. Then once again write the general solution or complementary function of this one. So which use the solution of ordinary differential equation c1 cos x plus c2 sin x here. So here c1 c2 are constant. We have to replacing c1 and c2 by arbitrary function f of y and g of y here. Because z is a function of x means you have to replace f of y, g of y. So in previous problem we use f of x and g of x because given function is dou square z by dou y square. Then use the given condition. So z equal to e to the power y when x equal to 0. So equation 1 become z as e to the power y, x as 0. So sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So which use f of y as e to the power y. Say equation number 2. So second condition is dou z by dou x. So before using second condition, we will differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x partially. So differentiation of 1 become dou z by dou x, cos x is minus sin x is cos y. Then use the second condition. So x equal to 0, dou z by dou x is 1. So x is 0, dou z by dou x equal to 1. So equation 3 become. So 1 equal to sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So g of y is 1. So use f of y and g of y in equation number 1. So which use e to the power y cos x plus sin x. So which is the required solution. Third example, dou square z by dou x square equal to a square z and given condition x equal to 0, z equal to 0, x equal to 0, dou z by dou x equal to a sin y. And here again z is a function of single variable x here. So convert PD into ODE. So d square z by dx square, and shift this a square z into left hand side, so minus a square z. So symbolic form of d square z by dx square, after taking z as common, so it becomes d square minus a square into z equal to 0, or the auxiliary equation of this one is m square minus a square and z is 0. So m square minus a square equal to 0, or m is equal to plus or minus a. So plus a and minus a, both the roots are different. When the roots are different, then its complementary function is c1 e to the power ax plus c2 e to the power minus ax. So it is also according to module number 2, differential operator. So which use the general solution of ordinary differential equation. And here also z is a function of x, means we will replacing c1 and c2 by arbitrary function f of y and g of y. Say equation number 1. Now we will using the condition x equal to 0, z equal to 0 in equation number 1. So use z is 0 and x is 0. So e to the power 0 is 1. So f of y plus g of y equal to 0. Say equation number 2. Then before using dou z by dou x, differentiate 1 with respect to x here. So which gives dou z by dou x equal to f of y, differentiation of e raised to ax is e raised to ax, and differentiation of ax with respect to x is a. Similarly, g of y, differentiation of e raised to minus ax is e raised to minus ax, and differentiation of minus ax become minus a. Say equation number 3. Now using the second condition, dou z by dou x equal to a sin y when x is equal to 0, using third equation. So dou z by dou x is a sin y and x is equal to 0. So e to the power 0 is 1. So a into f of y minus a into g of y, or if you divide on both sides by a, which gives sin y is equal to f of y minus g of y. Say equation number 4. Now on solving equation number 2 and 4, so add 2 and 4, so which use f of y as sin y by 2, then subtract 2 and 4, so which use g of y as minus sin y by 2. Then finally use f of y and g of y in equation number 1. So equation 1 become z equal to e to the power ax sin y by 2 minus e to the power minus ax sin y by 2, or sin y into bracket e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax divided by 2. So which use the sine hyperbolic formula, sine hyperbolic ax as this one. So which is the required solution. So these are the examples on solution of homogeneous partial differential equation involving derivative with respect to single independent variable.